Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Bree, Doctor of Physical Therapy, and I'm so excited to welcome you to today's guided meditation for pelvic floor relaxation. This is really a great meditation to do as often as daily for anybody who has pelvic pain or tension, or really anybody who has stress in their lives. We tend to carry tension in our pelvis, just like we carry it up high in our shoulders and neck. And it's really an important thing to check in with yourself, give yourself a little love, and release this area once in a while. All you'll need to get started is a firm surface, the ground, or a firm mattress if you want to lie in bed, and a pillow or bolster or folded blanket, something that you can put under your knees. This just helps prevent any excessive strain on your low back. So place the pillow or bolster or folded blanket underneath your knees. Relax fully, let go, get yourself comfortable. It might take some wiggling around to get situated. Let your feet flop apart, let your hands open and flop apart, and we'll begin with a full body scan. So take a deep breath. Feel the back of your head get heavy on the floor and the back of your neck growing long. Snuggle and settle your shoulder blades down underneath you on the ground so that they're flat on the floor beneath you. Feel your facial muscles relaxing, your forehead growing smooth, that crease between your eyebrows releasing. The muscles around your eyes releasing, letting go of any tension. Feel your eyeballs getting heavy down into their sockets. Let your tongue relax and the muscles around your mouth go slack and smooth. No holding, no tension. If your mouth opens, you can close it, but do so really gently without any effort or force. Gentle and slow, breathe easily, keeping your face open, relaxed, and soft. Now we're going to go on a little journey to really root our body down into the earth. So return your awareness to your shoulders and your arms. Move your shoulders an inch or two downward, further away from your ears, releasing any tension in those upper shoulder and neck muscles. Be sure that your palms are turned up toward the sky, fingers curled softly if that feels good, or fingers spread apart if that feels better. This moment is all about feeling good, so do what works for your body. Breathe slowly. Stay present. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel the backs of your arms growing heavy and really sinking down into the floor. Feel your spine lengthen and release, fully supported and relaxing into the ground beneath you. Move your attention to your right hip and thigh. Feel the back of your right hip and thigh sinking into the earth, rooting down. And then your right calf and your right heel. Now your left hip and thigh. Feel the back of your left hip and thigh sinking down, getting heavy, and then your left calf and your left heel. Unwind any remaining tension in your neck, your back, your head, arms, your legs. Breathe fully and easily. Breathing in, breathing out. Now bring your awareness to your pelvis. Feel the relaxation you've created throughout your body flowing into your center, like softly glowing beams of white light from your head and your neck and arms above, and from your feet and your legs below. These beams of healing white light are softly and gently merging toward your pelvis, toward your core. Let the light settle into your pelvic bowl. Feel it warm and soften your pelvic muscles. Feel your sitting bones widen apart as your pelvic muscles soften and let go. Feel your pubic bone relax downward, and feel your hips sinking down into their sockets, growing heavy. Continue to let your entire body grow heavy as your spirit grows light, floating an inch or two above the ground, softly, easily, serenely, with no fear. You are exactly where you need to be right here, right now. Breathe down into your pelvis. Inhale and exhale slowly and calmly, deeper and deeper with every breath. The soft warmth and white light expands with every inhale. Breathe in and breathe out. There is no right or wrong with this. You're doing it absolutely perfectly. Now imagine the soft white light in your pelvis slowly transforms into a beautiful white rose in full bloom. Widen your sit bones even more and allow space for that beautiful white flower to open and unfold. Your pelvic muscles are fully, beautifully, expansively open and relaxed. Enjoy this feeling as you continue to breathe in and breathe out. Breathing deeper and slower, fully and easily. 10 more deep breaths, staying present. I'll guide you. Just let go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, staying present. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slow it down if you need to. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now 5 more breaths on your own count. slow, deep, gentle breaths. Float, expand, open. Accept. Love. Be. It's time to come back slowly. Wiggle your fingers and your toes slowly and easily. Bring your attention back to the room around you. Feel your body starting to wake up. Welcoming the present moment. Take a deep breath and then roll onto your left side, knees bent, cradling your head on your left outstretched arm. Gently flicker your eyes open when you're ready. Being sure to do everything slowly and easily. When you're ready, push yourself up to a seated position and take a moment to really integrate what you just experienced. Feel this relaxation deeply. Ingrain it so that you can more easily return to it when you need to. You're doing great. You are going to be okay. You're doing your best, and it is absolutely and completely good enough. Breathe in, circle your arms overhead, and breathe out, hands at your heart. I wish you a beautiful, light-filled day. Thank you so much for watching and participating. I hope this has served you. Subscribe to my channel if you want more free videos every week that are really focused on pelvic floor friendly workouts, core health, and pelvic floor fitness. Until next time, remember, eat clean, move every day, and you will shine brighter.